Congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Kpokpogri. Hey, my people, the matter just get to a notice now. Say the dowry has been paid. As in, Tonto Dikeh is officially married to her sugar boo. Even if not traditionally, na marriage then do. But anyways, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Me na KNG TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this will stop for this channel, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. My people, this na 2-in-1. As in, we go talk about this our Nollywood actor and comedian Williams Uchemba, how they don't carry his name and draw for mouth since we take the Denge post on top private jets. My people, can they do as if na im own, they don't call them out. But before that, my people, make we talk about the newly wedded. Hey, my people, now know say some weeks don pass wey Tonto Dikeh bring to our notice, as in she publicly brought before us that this is her sugar boo. Hey, my people, love letter never sweet like this. This Tonto Dikeh gets mouth to take some beside everybody wey take the her side. As in, the way she take use words, they celebrate this her husband for in birthday. My people, a lot of people come out say, hey, what is happening here? My people, e don get to her notice say her dowry has been paid. As in, she is officially married. My people, if una go comment section, na that part dey sweet me pass, because a lot of people come dey congratulate her. Another person sef come talk say her time don reach, say they carry do and spoil her first marriage. She no worry like that. E pain am, but yes, she come outside come dey talk how she no be take dey happy for her marriage. But this one na her time. Her sugar boo don land. The real man in her life don land, my people. A lot of people come dey celebrate her. A lot of people come dey say, oh, happy marriage life. Say nobody no go take snatch this one from your hand, my people. Una sabi say Tonto Dikeh fans they dey ready for the give everybody hot to hot. As you carry her name for your head, now so her fans too, they carry the matter for their head like how market. Come they tell you say make you no come closer to am and say she don't suffer before. Una sabi say when her marriage with her ex-husband big enter gutter, my people, she be too come out come cry. A lot of her fans feel her pain, like what is happening. She cried, she sent out a lot of proofs, she was in deep pain. A lot of people come dey say that she's traumatized. A lot of things come dey happen. She come dey cry say she don't spend a lot to this marriage, but everything takes a waka like fish tail, my people. But this one, she dey keep am. Her fans sef take join to take fight anybody we go come talk any kind thing. Wetin we know na say, my people, we wan congratulate this too. Yes, my people, no be only when gossip dey around where we go carry our heads put inside. Even when something good take happen, my people, we suppose congratulate them. Na reason wey we come outside come dey happy with Tonto Dikeh and her new husband. We come dey tell am congratulations, my people. If una dey doubt me, no worry. This reliable source will bring the matter for up. Now one way no dey play. Una sabi say anything, my people, where you want to, you no want me public know about, make it stay in your heart, because the moment where that thing take come out, now be say no be secret anymore, because that your best friend has a best friend who has a best friend who has a best friend, my people. Now so it take day. But anyways, make una know me, now me go bring updates. Una stay tuned. If you want to know everything, subscribe to this channel. Yes, turn on your post notification so that when I bring the complete gist come out, you go be amongst the first to be notified. My people, meanwhile, I beg make una write for comment section. Congratulations to this latest couple. We dey wish a lot of happiness for them. Yes, we dey wish a lot of children. We dey wish a lot of endorsement deal. And say nobody we won't come snatch these people. We won't come inside, come separate these two, my people, nobody go succeed. Their marriage go be flawless. My people, make una write for comment section wetin una think about this one. Make we sharply and sharply dive into the next matter. My people, the next matter wey we go dive on top na about this William Uchimba. My people, dem say make you know dem get post on top matter wey no be your own though. Yes, this one na issue as he take pictures for wey e dey inside private jets. My people, e come dey do as if na him own. They even come talk say e claim say na him buy am. My people, wahala dey. Una sabi na people must come talk. A lot of people come dey say you dey enjoy another person property, dey take dey make as if na your own. Say no be your own, my people. Na so dey take expose am so to the public, my people. Dem say wind blow fowl nyash take show for outside. Na so Williams Uchemba own take the show outside. Him take private jet with another set of people, my people. Can't go for this Obi Kubana mother's funeral / burial, my people. Yes, he can't go there. He take pictures as soon as they see now. Take pictures. Can't they post? They put any kind thing as if na him take own them. Not knowing say himself he do na I beg make una carry me join inside the private jet. Now so they don't come out for my people. Can't they give am bomber to bomber? Say if you want take then get post, make you buy your own. A lot of people self-con talk say he's capable of affording it. Yes, say him no one be among the list of people where they own private jet, but he can afford it, my people. Wetin una think? Another person come talk say this man like this, he get shishi for him back account. Now just say no be that kind person way it dey over showcase matter. Yes, a lot of people still come talk say make him know they do that kind matter. Slay Queen Steph come join, come talk say when you a normal person, you are passing by and you see a very nice car, you stand before that car and take a picture. Does it mean that you bought the car? That na question where a lot of people take the ask. You didn't buy the car, so he has entered a private jet. He took pictures of the private jet. He posted it. Why is his own case supposed to be different? Why una dey carry matter for head like how markets, my people? Now only but normal. Say you go somewhere, you saw a beautiful thing, you took pictures of the thing and you take the enjoy, abi? Yes, now so make they leave him matter, make it lie low. A lot of people don't talk say let this man be, and only pictures and videos where it's take inside the private jet. He no say na own na, abi he show una paper say na my own. No, we are free and free, my people. Me no know what una think about this video. Make una write for comment section what una think. My people, I go leave una for here. But before I go, if you dare you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Because subscribe and you smash that notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. I will see